up his gear on a sunny day, chasing horizons in his own unique way. With a drone in the sky and a world to explore, the TMax is here knocking on your door. TMax flying high where the cultures collide, speaking every tongue with a grin so wide. From the streets to the skies, he's leading the pack. Adventure calls loud for the TMax. Languages roll off his tongue like a song. In every corner he feels he belongs. With calisthenic strength and a healthy vibe, he's living his best life under the big blue sky. TMax flying high where the cultures collide, speaking every tongue with a grin so wide. From the streets to the skies, he's leading the pack. Adventure calls loud for the TMax. Drone in the air, capturing views so rare. With a heart full of wonder, he's always prepared. From city delights to mountains vast, every moment he makes sure it lasts. Try this God. Where history sleeps, through bustling markets and ocean deeps. A bridge of worlds, a God so true, bringing the distant right to you. Through lenses clear, his passion flows, a tapestry of life he shows. From dawn to dusk, the moments gleam, the TMax life a dream supreme.
Pack my life in a worn-out bag, maps and dreams with a jet lag drag, chasing sunsets where the skyline bends. World of strangers, soon to be friends. On the move, I feel alive. Every mile a new surprise. Taste the spice of every laptop glowing in a seaside bar. Wi-Fi signals under foreign stars. Sipping stories brewed with endless flair. Every corner whispers you belong. On the move, I feel alive. Every mile a new surprise. Taste the spice of every life. or crowded streets, and every flavor, every sound, my heart beats where none are bound. On the moon, sunrise, I can't explain. New city, new vibe, nothing feels the same. A backpack, my home as I roam these streets. Every step's a story, every face I meet.
Languages swirling like colors in the sky. Words I don't know, but I'm still getting by. The world is a canvas I paint as I go. Everywhere I wander, there's more to show.
I'm the TMax, riding the waves of time. Culture and travel, they all intertwine. From the mountains to the ocean to the city lights, I'm chasing the horizon till it fades from sight. Cafes and markets, where the locals meet. The rhythm of the world under my feet. Lost in translation, but I feel so alive. Every moment a treasure, I'm here to thrive. No borders, no limits, just the open air. The globe's my playground, I'm everywhere. With a camera in hand and a heart unbound, I'm the echo of a journey, the world's my sound. I'm the TMax, riding the waves of time. Culture and travel, they all intertwine. From the mountains to the ocean to the city lights, I'm chasing the horizon till it fades from sight. Follow the TMax on YouTube, he's a travel vlogger. He's been to 70 countries and has made a drone video in almost 30 countries. He loves learning about new cultures, and he's a polyglot. And he's a polyglot. He's been to 70 countries and has made